What's up you guys, Princess Bravo here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are manually going to be making our own DIY aloe vera gel at home, and it's very easy. I'm going to be using an aloe vera leaf, and you can easily find this in the grocery store, supermarket or in the garden if you have one. So if you are ready, let's go. To extract the gel-like substance from the aloe vera leaf, first you need to ensure that you have thoroughly washed the aloe leaf to get rid of any dirt and impurities. Now I have already washed mine off camera, and now to make the extraction easier, I will cut the aloe leaf into small pieces and then I will cut the sides to get rid of the thorns. While you are cutting the sides of the aloe vera leaf, be careful not to prick yourself with the thorns because this can be really painful, you guys. Once we are done getting rid of those thorns, because we don't want to get ourselves pricked by them, I'm going to cut the aloe leaf from the side, as you guys can see, and in the middle you will see this gel-like substance, and this is what we are going to scrape out to get the gel. So I have my little bowl over there, and I'm going to be scraping out the gel using a spoon directly into my bowl. If you find it difficult using a spoon to get the gel off the aloe vera leaf, you can easily use a knife, but be careful not to cut yourself. So while we are doing the extraction, I'm going to tell you guys more about the aloe vera gel and why you should start incorporating it into your hair care or skincare needs. Now, there are very many benefits of using aloe vera gel, and aloe is used as a topical gel which is made from the gel-like substance inside the plant's leaves. It is also very possible to use the leaves directly by breaking them apart and pressing out the gel, as you guys can see us do. So I prefer using this gel that I make at home by myself, unlike buying those manufactured ones, because the manufacturers of course guarantee the gels, the masks, the cleansers and creams that are 100% natural and super effective and even magical. Those catchy words that they use, but you can't really trust them, because when manufacturers produce goods in mass quantities, it makes sense that they want to turn a profit. So they add preservatives and chemicals that take down production cost, but also make these products not exactly 100% natural. So that's why I prefer making my own DIY gel at home, and this is much easier, and I know I haven't added any impurities whatsoever to make my own DIY gel. Now, with that said, if you are dealing with a chronic skin condition, I think it's a good idea to check with your dermatologist before applying this gel. Now, among many other benefits of aloe vera gel, it helps the skin to heal from minor ailments like sunburns, inflammation, acne, minor cuts, irritation, or small abrasions because of its healing powers. The aloe vera gel helps to soothe sunburn. However, it's not an effective way to prevent sunburn, so don't forget to wear your daily SPF, guys. And since aloe vera gel absorbs easily, it is ideal for all skin types. Be it oily skin, dry skin, aloe vera gel is great since it helps to seal moisture into your skin. Now, since we are done scraping out all the gel from the leaf, we are going to start crushing it with our spoon. If you have a blender, this is much easier. You can blend it out and it can become just a nice smooth gel. But since I don't have one, I'm going to work it out with a spoon, and sometimes later you will see me using a fork to kind of help me out in breaking down the gel. Now guys, it is entirely up to you to use aloe vera safely and to report any adverse skin reactions to your doctor. So always do a patch test on your skin to test for any allergic reactions, and I suggest doing this at the back of your hand or behind your ear. So in case of any itching or slight burning or even a rash, you could have a sensitivity to the gel and you should stop using it immediately. So also don't use aloe vera on infected skin, because while the gel has microbial properties, its protective layer can disrupt the healing process and make the infection even much worse. Now this is the farthest I could break down the gel using my fork and spoon thanks to these tools. If you have a blender, you could get a nice consistency, but since we are done, I'm going to transfer this into a container and I will keep this for storage for my skincare and hair care needs. This DIY aloe vera gel has a shelf life of 5 days, but if you decide to keep it in the refrigerator, it can last you up to 14 days, even more. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever tried making your own DIY gel at home and how well it works for you. We have over 150 cool videos here on this YouTube channel. Make sure to watch those ones as well. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video. Peace.